Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. Today, we have something special in store for you. We're about to unveil a blender that will revolutionize the way you blend and take your healthy lifestyle to new heights. Get ready to meet the Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender. Hey there, I'm thrilled to be your guide on this blender journey. Let's dive right in and explore the incredible features that make the Ninja BN401 a must-have for any kitchen. The Ninja BN401 is a powerhouse when it comes to blending. With its 1000-watt motor, it effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables, and even ice, giving you smooth and consistent results every time. Say goodbye to lumpy smoothies and hello to velvety textures. Not only does the BN401 perform exceptionally, but it's also compact in size, making it ideal for small kitchens or for those on the go. Its sleek design and vibrant colors will add a touch of modernity to your countertop. One of the standout features of the Ninja BN401 is its versatility. It comes with 3 Auto IQ programs, taking the guesswork out of blending. Whether you're making smoothies, extracting nutrients, or creating delicious sauces, this blender has got you covered. And here's the best part, the BN401 includes 2 24-ounce Nutri Ninja cups, complete with spout lids. Blend your favorite ingredients directly into these portable cups and take your nutrition on the go. It's perfect for busy mornings or when you're headed to the gym. We understand that cleaning up after blending can be a hassle. That's why the Ninja BN401 is designed with convenience in mind. All the detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, the blender's Pro extractor blades can be easily removed for thorough cleaning. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching.